All right, so we just got out to the Boosted Boys compound and we are about to get this thing in the shop and get the new motor in it. Let's go.
And I don't know if you were going to swap our heads.
New LS delivered by Plaid.
Yeah, our heads are no good, so we're gonna have to.
Okay, good.
Get in there, dude.
Oh yes,
Yes, there you go. Nice.
We need more lube.
Let's got real gay real quick.
Dude,
Oh, wow.
Hold it back the other way.
how's that go again, Chris?
So big. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow, you're a big American man.
Big American boy.
He'll tell
I'll cradle the balls, stroke the shaft, work the pipe.
All right, so we are about at the halfway point right now with this build. How's it looking, guys?
it's an engine. It's together.
It's halfway there.
It's halfway there.
We got the oil pan on. We got a new oil pump on there. We're getting ready to just clean up the surface of the block here to get the heads on. We got the heads off, and we got all of our
Springs and
springs.
retainers, yeah.
Yep, all the springs and
Yeah,
retainers
heads
swapped
are
over from the other engine. So we
Everything.
can make some RPMs.
Do what?
Do you guys put the new valve seals in?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, new valve seals.
Yep,
Yep.
valve seals.
All new valve seals.
That would have
Everything's
sucked if
ready
we
to go.
forgot those.
No, they're in.
Bought those just
You,
for those
yeah,
heads.
you don't need those. You don't need them. They're,
Just take them out.
but,
Almost two.
all right. So,
Burnouts by 5?
what time does it get dark out
We
here?
I'd probably say 6.
Six.
Burnouts at 6.
Burnout's at 6:30,
Yep.
depending on how much tea he drinks.
Yep.
And then
Hey, I work better when I'm.
We're also
Okay.
waiting on the clutch line to show up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which should be here hopefully the next hour. Yeah. So, but
It's going
yeah.
really smooth. I mean, we haven't hit any hiccups yet, so
Oh.
now we will. Not
There's so many people in this engine bay. It's incredible how many people are in the engine
Hole
bay.
right here.
Here we go. Tip number 1. Let's get this thing fired.
Go for it.
Fire in the hole.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. I mean, frick yeah.
Both sound like they're good to go. No tick this time. No tick.
Hell yeah, dude.
All right, put some coolant in it. Let's go do some freaking donuts.
Yes, sir.
Can I back it out? I haven't even got to drive it yet.
Can I back it out? No. I got to broke the last one. I want to break this one.
Yes, go for it.
He's like, I want to drive it before it blows up this time.
It's like, can I even at least drive it yet? It's been LS swapped. I haven't got to drive it yet.
Twice.
Dude, this thing runs awesome. It's a little rich right now. They're going to adjust the tune, but it starts right up. Perfect. Idles. Revs free. It's got great oil pressure. Really happy with the way this turned out. We're going to get some water in it right now and hopefully spin the tires a little bit. Let's see what we can do.
third gear, but you know I might miss it. We got to start in third gear to hit it.
I think we're good though, dude. She's ripping.
Sounds great.
Hell yeah. That was a struggle the last
I think third
couple
gear.
hours.
And let's see a burnout.
She's out there sitting on the board. She's gonna be pissed. We need a place where we can mess around for real.
That was sick though, dude. It looked great. Just left some nice marks.
And just invite her over.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, no, that was great.
Yeah, oh sweet.
Alright, successful burnout. Rod bolts did not come apart. We're good to go.
Yep. Appreciate you guys bringing
Yeah,
this motor
thanks for
down.
coming
It
down.
sounds great.
Told you, gonna do it right.
Hell yeah.
Got it back up and go.
Oh, very good burnout. Dude,
Hell yeah.
yeah, we got some really good stuff. I mean, I lost you for a second there. I was like, where'd you go? Okay.
Yeah, dude. It was putting out some good smoke.
You can definitely feel the torque.
Yeah.
We get an angle kit on this thing, get her actually dialed. I think it's gonna be a fun, just beater, slide around car.
All right, boys, the 240 is done. We are packing up the car, getting ready to head back home. Big thanks to the Boosted Boys for having us out. I mean, it was a blast working with these guys. Wyatt's awesome, Kyle's awesome, Ryan's awesome. They let us stay in their place for 2 days while we're doing this whole thing. So, I mean, it was just awesome being out here with these guys.